In this video, I'm going to show you how to play That's What You Get by Paramore off of their album Riot. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Paramore was your favorite band of the 2000s. And let's dive in. This song is going to be in half-step down tuning. So we're going to tune every string 1 through 5 down a half step. So E to E flat, B to B flat, so on. And then 6th string will be in C sharp, drop C sharp. The intro is going to have 2 guitar parts and the rhythm will be playing this. So let's break down those chords. So what we're going to be doing is barring 6th string, 5th string, 4th string on the 7th fret. And then we're going to have ring finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string. And then pinky on the 9th fret of the 2nd. So that's the first chord, and the rhythm is this, down, down, down. So it's like a triplet. And then we do these swipes of the strings. So we do 4 quick swipes. And then repeat. Then we move to the next chord. The next chord, we're gonna bar the 9th fret now. And the pinky is gonna go on the 13th fret of the 4th string. So we have 9th fret 6th, 9th fret 5th, 13th fret 4th. Okay, and the rhythm is the same, the right hand rhythm. Okay, we just do it once there, and then we move right up to the next chord, which is 11th fret barred, and then 14th fret on the 4th string with the pinky. We hit that 3 times in that triplet form, and then we go down, hold that same pattern, slide it down to the 6th fret. And then we repeat. So all together slow. And while that part is going on, the lead guitar will be playing this. So what we're doing there is octave swiping, starting on the 4th fret of the 5th string. So that'll include the 6th fret of the 3rd. We hit that triplet, same rhythm as the rhythm guitar. Then we go 4th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 4th string. So all together. Then repeat those octave swipes. Then we go 6th fret, 9th fret of the 4th string. So all together so far. Then we hit 6th fret octave, still on the 5th string. Hit that triplet. Then we go up to the 9th fret, and then the 11th on the 4th string. So all together so far we have this. Okay, and at this point we go 11th fret octave, 3 times, down to 9. and then it'll repeat. So the whole thing. And now we're into the verse. The verse will also have two guitars. The rhythm guitar will be playing this. So all that is just power chords. So we're barring 7th fret, 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, and we're hitting that triplet rhythm. Rest, then up to the 9th fret, then up to the 11th fret, and repeat. While that's going on, the lead guitar is playing this over top of that. So all the lead guitar is doing here is if we take that initial chord that we were playing, what we're going to do is just focus on 1st string, 2nd string, and 3rd string. And we're just going to be strumming it once. So we'll hit it once, and there is a delay on this guitar, so it'll sound like it's echoing. But we just hit the first 3 strings. Then we lift the pinky off. Your first finger should be barring the 7th fret. So when you hit the strings now, you should have the ring finger, 9th fret of the 3rd string, the bar from your index finger covering 7th fret of the 2nd and 7th fret of the 1st. And you're just going to alternate between those two chords, strumming it with the pinky on and with the pinky off. And it's right at this point that for 4 bars, we'll kick back in with those intro riffs. So we'll kick back in with that rhythm part. And with that lead part. And then we go right back into the verse lines. Okay, the same lead part over top. And then right before we kick into the chorus, both guitars will hit this chord. So what we're doing there is barring 2nd fret, 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, ring finger, 4th fret of the 3rd, pinky, 5th fret of the 2nd. And now we're into the chorus. I'll play the rhythm part. So those are all power chords, and the right hand rhythm is just straight 8th notes. So the chords go like this. We have an A chord, so that's open, 5th string. And then we go 2nd fret, 6th string power chord, so that's barring 6th, 5th, and 4th. Then we go to a standard power chord, 4th fret of the 5th string, and then 2nd fret of the 5th string. So what we have so far is and it starts to repeat. Now instead of jumping to the 4th fret here, we just go straight to the 2nd fret of the 5th. Now we alternate between 4th and 2nd. Then it repeats. We end on the 2nd fret of the 5th. And then it'll kick back into that intro riff. While the rhythm is playing that, the lead guitar is playing this part higher up the neck. I'll play through the part once. Let's break that part down. So what we're going to be doing is really alternating between the 12th fret and the 16th fret of the 1st and 2nd strings here. So I'm going to bar the 12th fret with my index finger on the 1st and 2nd. And then the pinky will start on the 16th fret of the 1st. So we'll go 16th fret of the 1st and then 12th fret of the 2nd. Back to the 16th of the 1st. Then we move the pinky over to the 16th fret of the 2nd. And now we're on the 12th fret of the 1st. Back to the 16th of the 2nd. So that slow. Back to the 16th of the 1st now. Alternating with the 2nd. Back to the 16th of the 1st, then down to the 14th. And then we'll hit the 12th fret of the 2nd twice. So the rhythm for that so far sounds like this. So that gets us through the first 4 bars of that part. Let's keep going. So we'll start repeating that part, but we'll add a note. So you see we go quick the 2nd time, so we go, and then here it's quick, 16th back to 12. Then 16th of the 2nd. From here we go right to 14th of the 1st. So we go right to 14th of the 1st, to 12, and then pause, then 12, 14th of the 1st, 12 of the 2nd. I know this can seem kind of random, but there is a rhythm to it, so let's break it down slow. So far we have this. We just got through 8 bars, and then we're going to go down to this part here. So we're going to go down to the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and we're going to be sort of following the vocal line here. So we'll be 5th fret first, twice, 7th fret twice, 9th fret twice, 12th fret twice, 9th fret 4 times, 7th fret 4th times. So we have this so far. And then it'll repeat. This time we jump straight from 12 down to 7. We end with 8 hits on the 7th. Then we go back up to the 16th fret. So we're back up here. So that's the rhythm there. It's a little bit faster. Right from the 2nd string to the 1st. Then we move to 16th fret of the 2nd, 12 of the 1st, 16th of the 2nd. Then we go to 14th of the 1st and alternate it with 12 of the 2nd. 4 times. So that last part, And then we kick back into that intro. And then we'll play through a second verse and a second chorus, and then sort of a third verse that acts as the bridge. So that bridge section is just the verse part, so it's kind of a third verse. So we're playing that, the other guitar is strumming this part. Coming out of that part, we go right back into the intro riff. And then there's a pause for a vocal only part. And then coming out of that vocal only part, what we're gonna do is hit the 9th fret, palm muting 8th notes, crescendoing into letting it ring out. So it's... And then we kick into the final chorus. And coming out of that last chorus, the song will end with those chords. Was Riot the best album of this century? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.